Good morning. Welcome to your Motivation Morning Meditation. Settle into your body position very comfortably and close your eyes. Breathe out all of your air. Empty the body of air. Then inhale new, fresh oxygen. Exhaling fully with a sigh. And do this 2 more times. Every time you breathe in, you inhale peace. Every time you breathe out, you exhale worry. Now, let your jaw become soft. The mouth softens too. And just breathe in and out through your nose. Focus on your entire body, how you feel today, perhaps. And if you could imagine yourself with an energetic field, what color would it be? See yourself surrounded by this color, representing your energy. And now guide your awareness to the top of the head and see this energy traveling all the way into your head, filling you with new, fresh energy. The color is shining brightly all around your head. And this color travels into your neck, illuminating this area with good energy. Fresh new energy is flowing into your shoulders, filling up both of your arms at the same time. The color of your energy is becoming brighter. It flows into your chest. Your heart center is illuminated, and you feel this good energy is lifting you up. Your entire back is illuminated with a beautiful color, vibrating with motivation. This energy is flowing down into the hips, filling each leg with your love and awareness. Every moment of this exercise is giving you a feeling of positivity, and motivation comes with that. Now, see your entire body glowing even brighter in a fresh, new energy. This fresh energy is all around you. And in this moment of pure energy, you begin to have many ideas come your way. Self-discipline is ringing true for you. Every time you take action is when you become motivated. Action precedes motivation. It is not the other way around. When you have self-discipline, that is when you are able to motivate yourself. Now let this energy flow into your mind, waking up your imagination to allow for new ideas to pour in. And with these ideas, you become excited to carry them through. And when you rise from this meditation, you will write these ideas down. Ideas are like water. They are always flowing. They come and then they go. It is your job to write them down. It is your duty to take action on them. You have the ability to achieve anything you wish. All that you desire is yours. All it takes is action. Little step by step is the way to see success. You do not achieve an amazing body through going to the gym once, just as you don't achieve an amazing life in one day. It takes action upon action, doing things even when you don't want to. And with this wisdom, it motivates you. And this motivation makes you take action. Now, hear these affirmations and say them out loud. I am able to make new ideas endlessly. Opportunities are always coming my way. I live a joyful life. I take action. Every day, I make steps towards my goals. I have the energy to do anything. I am amazing. Good. Now, any part of your body that feels like moving, go ahead and let it move, wiggling your fingers, making circles with your ankles, moving the head from side to side in a gentle way. This is giving the signal to your body to wake up, feeling energized, motivated, and most of all, taking action. Now breathe in very deeply. Open your eyes. With this new energy you have, get out a sheet of paper and a pen. Write down as many good ideas that come to you, and continue writing until you are all out of ideas. It is good to make a practice of this every morning, doing a meditation, and then when you rise from your session, writing down anything that comes to mind. I know you will have a day full of motivation, joy, and excitement. Well done.